So in the last video I posted, which was of this accent wall, I was quite pregnant. So now I get to introduce you to little Madeline. This is another project for her nursery. I wanted somewhere to display some photos, and I wanted a super easy postpartum DIY. So today I'm going to show you how to build these leather strap floating shelves. If you want to see more super trendy, budget-friendly ways to decorate your home, or you want to see some more of this adorable, squishy little face, make sure you hit that subscribe button. First things first, I cut, sanded, and painted the board for my shelf. I'm using a 1x6 piece of red pine and cutting it at 30 inches, but the size and finish of your shelf will vary depending on your style. Since my shelves are going on white walls and I'm painting them white, I wanted to keep as much texture in the wood as possible, so I gave it a very quick sand just to get rid of the little hairy bits, and then I scraped my paint on, making sure it got in all the cracks and crevices and keeping it off all of the high points and ridges. Next, I prepped my leather straps. My leather is 1.5 inches wide by 1.5 millimeters thick, cognac colored leather that I found on Etsy. I've put a link in the description for a couple buying options for the leather. On Pinterest, I also saw people finish their straps with a piece of leather folded over from the back to the front, or with an angled or rounded cut end, which I thought was nice too. I measured 1 inch down and halfway across my leather to mark where my eyelet hole would go for hanging. Then I used my leather punch to make my hole. No problem if you don't have a leather punch, you can also just use a drill. I also used eyelets and eyelet pliers, but you can skip the eyelet and just put a screw directly through your leather. But if you choose this route, I would recommend a screw like this roofing screw that has a rubber washer to give the hole more strength and is also aesthetically pleasing. Now that I've got my boards and straps ready, I can hang them. I fastened my drywall anchors and attached my leather strap. Oh no! I measured the length of the board where to put my holes, not thinking that they needed to go in. Okay, well, my drywall anchors need to come out. Try that again. I'm gonna blame the baby that she's a distraction, so threw off my game. Okay, so I moved the drywall anchors. I took the old ones out, moved them in 3.5 inches, and now I'm gonna try to put my board back in. And hopefully it'll be a better fit than last time. Moment of truth. Much better. Now I'm going to try and put the second shelf up and keep the shelf so it's about 2 to 3 inches above this leather strap. So that's what's next.